Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Harika. So today I have come up with one of the most interesting topics which I've been exploring in recent times. So that is integration of box in Uipath. Before letting you know how we can integrate box with Uipath, there are few things which we have to be aware of. Let's look into that. First of all, we'll understand what is box and why it is required and how does that work before jumping into the actuals. So as we all know that while working in many multiple projects, we deal with a lot of data, many files and the folders. So it's equally important in order to manage and maintain those files. So Box is such a management system which will help us to maintain the content in the cloud. And why it is required? This explanation has already answered 50% of this question why it is required. But still, if you ask me why it is required to integrate, we have certain box activities in UiPath. It will help to manage the files by performing multiple actions like get, update, delete. And also we can upload and delete attachments very easily by using the box activities. And if you ask me how it works, let me just show you the architecture of this. So here it is. In order to make the integration between the box activities of UiPath Studio with the custom application of the box, we have to establish a connection. An authentication has to be made in between the box scope of UiPath Studio and the custom application of the box. We have to first build a custom application in box. We should have a developer instance for proceeding further. Let me just show you how we can create one. First of all, you have to create an account for the developer instance. You can also find step-by-step procedure to do this in the UiPath documentation. I will attach all the links in the description. You can go through that. So after creating the developer instance, next step is to create a new app and then click on the custom app. You have to create a OAuth 2.0 with JWT authentication. And then you can give your app name. Let me just create one app. And after this, you can click on view your application. Then it will redirect you to the configuration page. Just scroll down and check for the advanced features. It has to enable these both features. Now you have to click on generate a public or private key pair. So this will ask you to go for a two-step verification. If it's not enabled, make sure that is enabled. Once after the two-step verification is done, you can click on generate a public private key pair. So this key pair will be generated, and make sure that you save it in a proper location. Click on general and then you have to submit it for authorization. So once after you submit, you'll get a mail. Once after you click on the review app in your mail, it will take you to this page. Being an admin, you have to click on authorize new app, and then whatever the client ID you've been provided with in your mail, and click on next and authorize, and app authorization was added. So till now we have seen how we can create the authorization, and now we have to integrate this with box activities. Let's see how we can do that in the upcoming videos. If you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Happy automation, and see you in the next video.